So this is a COVID swab, and we just take this out and we want to swab an area of the handle here. So just give it a quick swab, make sure the whole of the swab is covered. Then we just place it back into the tube and label the location.
I don't think, because I've already taken another package.
Okay, so here we have a contact plate, and this is to test for general bacteria, yeast, fungi and molds. And with this we just place it on the handle and swipe slowly across, making sure the whole area is covered. And just place the cover back on top. Okay, so once we've taken the swabs, we send them off to our subcontracted lab, and they test them, send us back the results, and then we can pass the results on to Greater Anglia.